Nabiilabee is here. Why are you here? Huh? Why are you here? Baby. She's seeing her baby. So, my plan today was to do a morning routine video and it absolutely failed. So, I thought I'm in the mood to film anyway. I'm so out of breath because I've just been chasing Nabiilabee. She's been making such a mess. And I had to chase her so that she had to chase her, stop her from making a mess. And right, should we change you? So we need to change you, yeah? Let's change your outfit from your pajamas. So I put on a cardigan on her in the mornings because it's a bit cold and like we're still in bed under the duvet and in the warm sheets, but she's always out and about and it gets a bit chilly. So first thing I do is I change her nappy. Come on, stand up for the camera. And as I hate using wipes, I always wash her, so I end up washing her in the sink. Let's go. Who's that? Who's that? Is that Nabiilabee? Is that Nabiilabee? Right, so let's choose an outfit. Where's your nappy actually? So that failed again because Nabiilabee didn't have a nappy upstairs. Her nappies are finished. How cute is this outfit that she barely let me put it on. Oh, what are you throwing phones for? Oh my goodness. Oops, sit down. Right, she's ready. It's so dark everywhere. Yay, well done. Oh, I need to close this. So my video absolutely, completely flopped. It didn't end up... What's that? Oh, you want me to carry you around? Ooh, what's that? You want the camera? You can't have the camera. Come, let's make some breakfast. Ooh, I actually have some things already ready, haven't we? What do we have here? So this is barley made the night before. And this is super Russian, by the way, guys. Like, so Russian. Also, this is the first time YouTube is seeing Nabiilabee, isn't it? First time. So what it looks like, super Russian, but yeah, I like my breakfasts like wheaty. I like porridge, healthy stuff like that. I was going to talk about how this. You want to go up there? Oh no, because Mia started doing this new thing where she just wants to climb up cupboards on the counter and it's so stressful. Let me show you what she's doing. This is so stressful. Can you get down, please? Anyway, I've still not been able to explain myself. Oh yeah, actually I want to hide this rubbish. Right, so my kitchen is like nowhere near ready. Because we haven't even started on the renovation, so don't mind the mess. It's a little bit broken, but we aren't starting the renovation yet. Plus it's kind of too cold. Can you not open the microwave? This is so difficult to vlog. By the way, is this warm enough? Nice, mama, nice. Come, let's put it in the bowl for you. She'll put it in the baby bowl for you. Come here. Come here. She got her lila and tiny plate. I love these plates. I think they're so cute. Perfect for children. Right. Huh? Let's put some mama in there. There we go. Is that warm all the way through though? That's so tasty. Yeah. Right, so in the meantime, I am just gonna collect my laundry because Nazmia doesn't like to have any laundry around. She starts throwing it around. Filming your morning routine is so hard with a baby. I think the only way I can think of doing it is if it's like what's the word, you know, when it's not real, when it's I can't think straight, guys. It's early in the morning, haven't eaten, haven't had breakfast, everything is just really difficult to do, and I can't get myself in the frame because I'm not using a tripod. I just wanted it to be really raw and real, but it turns out that's really difficult to do. Yeah, don't mind my kitchen, please. My kitchen is just absolutely, I hate it, and I cannot wait till we have it done. You know what? This is gonna end up just being a little life update. So it turns out I can't do spontaneous videos. They have to be fake and filmed like at a different part of the day. They have to be like filmed professionally. Professionally, I mean like I need to get a tripod. Right, so today, this is my current favorite tea. I can't believe this video. This is such a fail, but actually I might as well update you on the utility room. So this is what the kitchen looks like. I hate everything about it. I don't even want to show it to you guys because I just absolutely cannot stand it. Anyway, this is the utility room so far. So you walk in. I wish I could zoom out a bit more. So as you can see, we've done quite a lot already. We had the door and the window changed. Then Ahmed started painting. He's not finished. The white still needs another coat. I can't remember what color we chose, but we realized that when we were looking at like the card, it wasn't as orange. But then when she made the paint, it was so bright. But then I thought, oh, maybe it'll dry darker, and it actually has dried a lot darker than it was in the tub. However, it's still so bright. Like, I do like it, it's really nice, but I just feel like it's a little bit too orange. We wanted it a little bit more subtle and a bit more dull. Like, this is too bright. We wanted it dull. We went to B&Q, but they didn't have, they've got like some other paint, that one, Valspar. Where is it? There we go. They had that Valspar paint, and they don't have many shades in that paint. They've got loads, but they're all really bright. Like, they didn't have any dull oranges and like any dull, I can't describe the color, but it's like a dull peach shade, I guess, but like on a darker peach shade. Yeah, so the orange I really like, and I was saying to Ahmed, I want to make this into my filming room, which was a joke, by the way, but I was like, this is such a cool backdrop. Like, I love it. I'm gonna do like a separate video and talk about that whole utility room another day. I'm just kind of waiting for it to get somewhere because right now it's not really getting anywhere. Look at my front room. What is this? All this needs to go in the tip. It's all recycling. Obviously it doesn't fit in our thing. Actually, I just remembered, I bought these mirrors. I need to take these mirrors out of their boxes so we can recycle the boxes. Hopefully we're gonna go today if Ahmed's feeling better. I've got my grey rug from my living room and I have no idea where to put it. I'm thinking of putting it in the kitchen, but then I feel like it's just gonna get destroyed in the kitchen. Yeah, this room's not ready yet. I started taping up the doors, but damn, this is so difficult and it's so time consuming, and I really can't paint the door because I really do not have any time. With Nazmia, it's impossible, and obviously I can't paint with her. Yeah, anyway, this is what this room looks like in the dark. It's just so messy. There's so much to do. This is Nesmia's bed, which I currently don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I really don't know. Like, eventually she's gonna use it, but I mean, I don't know where to put it. And right now, this is the only room that it just looks actually nice in. I was considering of actually building it here, but then I thought that's absolutely pointless. And this room is a little bit too dangerous for her to sleep in during the day anyway, like for naps. Anyway, that's that. Oh, but let me show you my makeup room, which is so messy, so don't mind it. But this is what I've got it like so far. This is the cupboard that I got from IKEA, but they're so clever, they didn't send me the hinges for the doors. And I was just like, seriously? And now then I have to now wait just over a week to get them, which thank God is just the hinges and not like any of the body. This is what I've got so far. I'm so out of breath just from running up the stairs, super unfit. I think I'm gonna end the vlog there. I haven't vlogged in like a million billion years. I mean, when was the last time I vlogged? Like a year ago, maybe even more, I don't even know. Anyway, however, yes, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you like these kind of vlogs. I know there was kind of no substance to this one, but it just failed. Like, it absolutely failed. I tried to do a morning routine with baby, and this is the reality. This is the reality of a morning routine with a baby. Like, just can't do anything, destroys everything, just wants to do her own thing. She's currently not eating breakfast. That's another thing I'm trying to tackle. Like, she just doesn't want to eat, or she wants to eat chips all day. It's really difficult. Anyway, I'm gonna go, guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.